Welcome everyone to the channel. If it's your first time, this is where we explore the world of products for imagination. What does that mean? We'll be taking a look and uncovering the world of smart home technology and how it fuses with art and decor to bring your space into the future. Now, today is a very special day because the channel has hit a small milestone. We're now at 100 subscribers. Cue the happy dance. Do the happy dance later. My first 100 subscribers. I just want to say a special thanks to everybody who subbed on the last few videos that were put out. It's been a long time in the making, you know, starting this YouTube channel, but better late than never. The feedback so far has been super positive, so I'm really grateful, and I will continue to answer every single one of your guys' comments as long as I possibly can, because I really want to take this channel to the next level. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at Aukey Table Lamps. Every single one of them I could buy on Amazon, I've bought. And here they all are now. Boom, 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 and little boom. So wait, let's rearrange them by height here. We got the big guy to the little guy here. Let's start with the small guy. Why not? So let's just put these off to the side for now. Get our trusty knife out. Oh, right off the bat, it's got this little, what are these called? What are these called? You guys know I like my RGB lights. That's for certain. Okay, so what do we got? In the box, we got a USB to USB micro. We have the RGB table lamp, IP65. I'm pretty sure that means it's like water resistant, so that's pretty cool. Oh, I love the stickers Aukey gives you. It's like this little key that peels off. Anyways, moving forward. Oh! There's a button on the bottom here that I've clicked to turn it on. This is totally real first impressions. I'm thinking we click it again. So it went from like a daylight to what we call like a tungsten light. It's got a more yellowish tinge to it. Oh, it's changing colors now. So let's, wait, before we do that, let's see if there's anything. Oh, so this is like a hanging loop. And I guess this attaches to the little kind of clip they give you here. Man, I forget what these things are called. They're called, they have a specific name. You can kind of attach it to a backpack or something. This seems like a really excellent light to bring around. Carabiner, it's called a carabiner. That's what it's called. I knew it. The light directly attaches to many metal surfaces. It's got a magnet. Oh, guys, you know I love magnets. We need something metal. Take the knife. Yeah, look at that. The knife is sticking. Oh, and it comes with, I guess, oh yeah, you can stick it somewhere. These are like little sticky metal plates. So you can stick it somewhere and then just magnet it on. Is it changing colors? Is this coming through on camera? Oh my God, it is changing colors. Look, you guys gotta see this. We're through the first one and I'm like getting super excited about this. Let's shut off our key light here. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay. I like that. You just hold your hand on there and it changes to the color you want and you just take it off. That's so cool. Yes, yes. This is, oh man. I never thought I could like a little miniature light so much. They've thought it out. They got a magnet, they got RGB colors, it's portable, it's got a built-in battery. I'm sold. Let's shut it off for now. Move on to the next one. So cool, so cool. Oh man. I don't know what that was. I'll be honest, guys.
So after spending some time with this light, I can honestly say it's one of the most portable and diverse lights I've ever seen. Anywhere you need to create ambiance and mood, you can now. They're simple, they work well, they're shock-proof, and they're waterproof. So this opens up a lot of applications for use. And you know what? If you get a few of them, multiples of them, you can use them together, and it only helps to really enhance the look and mood you're setting. I can see these lights being helpful. Interior spaces, living rooms, dining room, bedroom. Use them in your bathroom as like a calming, peaceful light. Use them in the pool. Throw a few in the pool. Let them float around. It's really going to add a lot to the look of your backyard, right? Use them for patio lights. You can line your backyard with these lights. You can use them in replacement of a candle. Anywhere you would think to use a candle, this light is a safe alternative that's going to last a lot longer and does a lot more things. You know, I can see restaurants adapting these for their tables and their decor. Throw it in your pumpkin. When you're carving a pumpkin this Halloween, making a jack-o'-lantern, throw it in your pumpkin. You know, all the applications that would involve portability, like camping, let's say. Take it on a camping trip. Hook it up to your backpack with the carabiner and bring it around with you, you know? Set it to RGB mode. It'll have a really cool effect. They're really excellent for parties, especially if you have multiples of them. Line them around your space, around your house, wherever you're having the party. They're excellent for creating that sense of ambiance. Use them as a centerpiece for the middle of a table or at a banquet or something. You know, they make absolutely great gifts as well if you want to give them away. They're so practical. Basically, anywhere you can benefit from having a light fixture to set some mood or provide some practical light, this is an absolutely great option given its portability and durability in almost all environments.
All right, next one up. The Aukey cordless lamp, I guess touch lamp for bedrooms. That's what it says on the sticker. Who says it has to be for a bedroom, right? It could be for whatever your heart wants it to be. Carefully unbox these electronics. Not like Casey Neistat. So very similar. You got your user manual, another sticker. Do love those stickers. So here we go. So what does this one come with? This one comes with the USB to USB micro. Okay, it wants us to plug it in. Let me go see what I can do about that. All right, we're back. Let's plug this bad boy in here. They don't give you a USB brick either, so link below on where to get the best USB bricks for cheap on Amazon, where I buy a ton of mine. What's going on? So it's got like a hard switch at the bottom here, this particular model. All right, I think I got this. There we go. Okay, so that's, okay, great. We got brightness. Oh, it said to long press for the RGB colors. Then it's just gonna cycle through, and then what did it say? To pick your own color. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 brightness levels, off. Long touch for colors, 3 seconds. Okay, great. It'll cycle through the modes we want. Okay, let's go to blue and it'll stop it. Going green here. It does cycle through the colors quite slowly, what I'm finding. So that's kind of cool in itself. So, okay, now we're at blue. I tapped it, will it stay blue? Yeah, I mean, that seems to be it for this guy. You want a nice little RGB light, looks pretty cool.
So very similar to the first light we reviewed, the mini portable light. This one is in the same vein. I believe it's an earlier model. Basically, all of the applications and all of the great things we talked about with regards to the first light, except you're losing the durability and the waterproof, but you're gaining a bit more light output, as well as just a different aesthetic. There is more of a surface area of light in this model. It's really just up to personal preference and which one is going to suit you better. I did find the reactivity wasn't as great as it could be, although it was not a deal breaker. I was always able to get it into the mode I wanted and control it how I wanted. But yeah, overall, this light is another excellent light and an alternate choice from the first light if you want something a little bigger and that looks perhaps a bit more elegant, as opposed to the ST23, the light we just looked at previously, the other portable battery-powered light, which is smaller and more spherical in its shape.
Oh, it does have a battery. Did you see that? I just unplugged it. All right, so it does have a battery. This says a continuous use time, 5.5 hours at the brightest light or 30 hours on the dimmest light. That's pretty good. That's pretty cool. I'm into that. This will last 6 hours at its brightest light. And it says 100 hours this is supposed to Yeah, if only they made them laugh too, right? That would be the icing on the cake. Okay, so 100 hours at its dimmest light, that's crazy. So like I was saying, this guy is waterproof. It has coverings, leave it out in the rain, whatever. You're at a party, you had a few too many to drink, you leave your little Aukey table light, it starts raining a bit, you're fine, it's good, you're golden, no problem. Okay, so we have the last two Aukey table lamps here. We have the LTT6 and we have the LTT7. Let's unbox them. Let's start with the LTT6. Okay, so we just opened the LTT6. There's another little box inside of it. User manual, sticker. Okay. Now at least we're not with a USB micro for power anymore. And look at that. Now we're in the realm of real power brick with an actual power port. Okay guys, so we just plugged it in. I'm gonna go ahead and assume it works the exact same way. Oh, long press to get out of the color modes. Quick presses to dim. And then long press to go back into the color mode. Right? Right? No? Did it not register my touch? 1, 2, yeah, okay. So it works the exact same way as the other one. And then I'm assuming if you want to stop the color, you just hit it again. Did that work? Okay. Yeah, so this is the LTT6. Seems to work the same as the previous model. Tap to stop the colors, tap it again, and it'll start fading through the colors again. It fades very slowly, so you could even just keep it, I guess, fading. That's an option too. And if you want to freeze it, you just tap it when it goes to the color you like. Any color you like. Let's wait for red. It's like a pink. Actually, the pink's pretty cool. Boom. We're gonna stop on this pinkish red here. Very neat. I'm digging these for sure.
So this light here is very similar to the ST21, the light we just looked at previously. It's basically the same light, but it's much bigger and much more powerful. It's made for the home. It does not have a battery, and it is not really optimized for portability, unlike its younger brother. But it is an elegant light. It worked a little better, I found, with the touch responsiveness, and it's just bigger and more bold in its look, but functions very much in the same way to its little brother, the ST21.
Okay, last but certainly not least, I don't think, the LTT7. The exterior look, oh, look at that. You guys see that? It's very slick. All you're seeing is my key light right now, but it's of this very slick mirror. Ooh, okay. I think this guy is gonna put out a lot more power. It's heavier, it looks a lot sleeker, a lot sexier. This thing's got curves, guys. This light has some sex appeal, apparently, is what has become of this review. So this is a smart design too. So you'll see the actual power input is on the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's on the bottom. You actually feed the power through, and then it kind of like sits, the cable sits in this little recessed, and it just, so it can sit flat. Very smart design, I like that. Definitely a step up from the LTT6. Let's power it on. So you have to touch the top, this shiny part, which I'm into. It's much more responsive. One, it just seems to have on and off. Okay, let's see if I can figure it out on my own. What if we long press? Oh, it gets brighter if you long press it. Oh, that's so cool. And it gets dim again. Wow. And then brighter. Oh, I like that. How do we get to the RGB mode? Do we, okay. On, off, and then dim. What does the manual have to say? Maybe there is no RGB on this lamp. Okay, so it does not look like this one is RGB. So that is the difference. So the T7, sleeker, sexier, more elegant, cooler, funkier, more futuristic. But no RGB! No RGB! Bit of a deal breaker for me, not having the RGB. For me, but for you guys, it might be the best of the bunch, really. I guess it's all in your taste, all in your flavor. It's kind of like, it's a little key light for my face. Let's brighten that up. Max brightness, just hold it. Just hold it. There you go. There you go. I do love that. I do love how that just, It is a very satisfying touch lamp. It is super responsive, and I do like the hold for brighter. Super simple, a very nice, soft, warm light, good for reading, calming. It's very calming, this light. It's got a calming effect to it.
So last but not least, we have the LTT7 here. So it's a completely different design than the last three lights. It's more sleek looking, I must say. The touch responsiveness is very good. It is the best out of the bunch. It's very responsive. It seems to be more robust in its build. It's a little bit heavier, and it does go the brightest out of all the lamps. But it does not have RGB.
Okay guys, so that just about brings us to a conclusion here. I hope seeing all of these Aukey table lamps, these fine products here that are fun, useful, practical, funky, they fit right into the FUTURESPACE Collective. So yeah, we have the smaller guy, you know, taking out, on the go, throw it in your backpack, great for parties, great for whatever, really camping, a multitude of situations that could arise. This light is a great option. This one's a little bit bigger, a little bit brighter, also battery powered if you want some more output. Not as weatherproof though, probably not as durable as this small guy. And then we have these two guys, which are more for the home. Basically, this one's a little bit sleeker, sexier, more sophisticated in its look, but it doesn't do the RGB colors. So this one does do the RGB colors. So these two are, you know, bigger, brighter for the home, and these two are more for portability or for the home too, whatever you want. Whatever you want to use it for, you can use it for. I hope you will consider subscribing to the channel if you like this kind of content and you want to see more stuff. The more engagement, the more likes, the more comments will grow the channel bigger. When the channel does grow bigger, I plan to do giveaways, so help it grow. Follow me on my journey. We hit 100 subs today. Follow me to 1,000. Let's see if I can go the distance and make it to 1,000. There's been such great feedback already on the last video, the one about the star projectors, where we reviewed the top 3 star projectors you can buy. I'll put the video card above, the video links up above there if you want to click it, check that video out. And I think that just about wraps us up. Hope you enjoyed. I never know how to end these damn things. I don't know what to do. I never know how to end these videos. Okay, cut!